Okay, it's been about 7 hours since we molded it up this morning. It is extremely firm, very firm. So let's see what we can do. Get it out of here. Find out where we're supposed to break it loose here. Yeah, this might be the last time to use this band. Okay, yep, that's the last time. Okay, we had a little bit of leakage under the edge, which is minimal, so it'll pop right off. So let's, yep, here we go. Here we go. We can only hope and pray. All right, this is my first time seeing it also. Oh, perfect, 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 perfect. Yep, it's cured 100%. Very satisfied. Very satisfied. Okay, this is with the smooth on 29 NV. It's the 1 to 100 part mix. I mix 400 grams of part A and 40 grams of part B. I am very satisfied. I am very, very, very satisfied. So this is going to be my go-to for in the future. Very satisfied. A lot of detail. Picked up everything that I wanted to. Everything. I'm going to let this sit overnight. Let it continue to cure and air dry. And we'll cast it up tomorrow. Now, what I did, I had the original pattern, and when I was using platinum cure silicone 1-to-1 ratio, the green material, I would use regular Rust-Oleum automotive primer to prime the surface with, and that's what this is. Now, I was reading the Smooth On website yesterday morning, and it said, when in doubt, if you want to make an extra layer of protection, use acrylic lacquer. So I went up to AutoZone and I got a can of acrylic lacquer. And I sprayed that on it and let that sit overnight. Because it says, no, let it cure overnight. It says that right on the can. So I'm not going to shortcut it. And then this morning when I went to cast it, I used a Man 200 mold release. So those are the steps that I went through to get to this point right here. I'm very satisfied. Thank you, Johnny. Johnny Hobbs at Reynolds Advanced Materials in Orlando. Very helpful people, very helpful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, fellow craftsmen and artisans, thank you so much for watching. And then after about 20 minutes, it's still just a little bit warm, but it's cured. We crack it open and see what we got. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Every detail is a mirror image. I've got one little small bubble right there where the J is, and I can like touch that up with a little bit of resin. No problem. I am very impressed. Mold Max. 29NV. I'm very satisfied with it. Alrighty, let's paint this guy up and see what it'll look like with the painted patina